In this video, I'll show you how to install the latest version of Python on Windows. So give this video a thumbs up, grab your PC, and let's get started. First, open any web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type Python and press enter. From the search results, open the official Python website. Once the website opens, move your cursor to the Downloads menu. You'll see the latest version available. Click on the version and the installer will start downloading automatically. Now wait until download completes. After the download is complete, right-click on the setup file and click Open. The Python setup window will appear. At the bottom, make sure you check both important options. Then click on Customize Installation. On the next screen, you'll see optional features. Leave everything as it is and click Next. Now you'll see the advanced options. Here, select the first option and keep the rest as default. Then click Install. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. Now Python will start installing. Wait for it to complete. Once the installation is finished, you'll see a success message. Click Close. Now let's check if Python is installed correctly. Click on the Start menu and type Python IDLE, then open it. Now let's run a simple program. Inside the idle window, type a simple Python program. If you see the output, that means Python is working perfectly on your system. At this point, Python is fully set up on your Windows PC. For a better coding experience, I recommend installing Visual Studio Code. It provides a cleaner interface and useful features for writing code. You can check out the tutorial for that on my channel.